Hi, and welcome back to Joy of Paint. Today we're going to do a happy little Christmas episode. So grab your paints and come along join me. We're just going to grab a dry brush and make some northern light shapes. We're just going to grab a brush with some titanium white on it, and we're just going to sprinkle it on in however you want. Let's grab a clean dry brush and just bring these northern lights up a little bit. So just grab a little on your knife here, and we're just going to go right up into the painting, and there it is. Go right down, right along the mountain with our nice bluish white color. Take a scoop, just go right down the side of this mountain. I think that some trees live down here under this mountain, so we're just going to grab the fan brush and plop them right in. There's some little stumps under these trees, so we're just going to grab whatever you use for the mountain and pull it up right under these trees. Here comes some land coming right in with that same color we used for the trees and the mountain. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to bring it down, and it's going to make all these reflections that come along right here. Look at that. Grab that black color and bring it right on down. Go side to side with the brush. Maybe a little one comes over here. Can't forget about the little guys. Just grab a little of that dark color and mix it with your light color, and just put in the highlights on these happy little trees. We're just gonna tap in some happy little land masses right here. Tap anywhere you want these bushes to go in. Trust me, they'll come right out at you. Maybe, just maybe, there's some ice forming right over here. And I've never done this before, but let's see how it works out. And now with that, I think we're looking at a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.